Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Dashlane breach alerts with dark web monitoring easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Dashlane application on your device. Log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Security tab on the sidebar. Look for the Breach Alerts section within the Security tab. Here, you will see any alerts related to breaches that may affect your accounts. Click on any alert to view detailed information about the breach. Next, check the specific information provided about the compromised service. Make a note of the date of the breach and the type of data that was exposed. Now, open your web browser and go to a reputable dark web monitoring service. You can use services like Have I Been Pwned or similar to check if your email is compromised. Enter your email address into the search bar of the dark web monitoring site. Confirm any prompts to see if your information has been found on the dark web. Review the results thoroughly for any matches associated with your email. If there are no hits, this is a positive outcome. If you find matches, take note of the services involved and the nature of the data exposed. Return to Dashlane and update your password for any affected accounts immediately. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on those accounts for added security. Finally, continue monitoring your account and stay informed on any future breaches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.